Hello there again, it's me, Julie. So now let me teach you how to create a purchase order using an estimate in QuickBooks Online. All right, so now let's dive into our sample QuickBooks account, QuickBooks Online account. And you have first to take note that creating purchase order is available only in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced subscription. And also, you have to first enable that option to our account and settings for us to create a purchase order. So to do that, we have to click here on the gear icon. Next, onto our account and settings. Let's just wait. And on to the expenses tab. So we can see here the purchase order screen. And also we have here the use purchase order selection, and you can see here that it is in an off mode. So we have to edit this one. Just click the pencil, and then you can see here the slider. We just have to switch it on. So for us to navigate the purchase order. So if you're done, select save and then done. All right, so we have now set our purchase order onto our accounts and settings. So now let's now explore creating a purchase order using an estimate that we have already created. So to do that, in our left-hand navigation, select the sales center, then all sales. And also you can navigate the estimate from the customers tab. So you can see here the estimate in the money bar. So this is the estimate. If we click this one, so it's loading. If we click this one, we can see here the list of the customers that has an estimate. So like for example, if we click this Red Rock Diner, so let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see here the information of Red Rock Diner. And when you click the edit, so this is where you can edit all the information of Red Rock Diner. Excuse me. And if you want to make a purchase using an estimate, so we can see here that the Red Rock Diner has an estimate. So if we click this one, so here there is the estimate screen of the Red Rock Diner. So this is how it looks like when we navigate the estimate from the customer tab. Okay, so let's just X this one and let us check if how it looks like when we navigate the estimate from all sales tab. Okay, so this is the estimate in the money bar. If we click this one, we click the money bar, so we can also see here all the list of the customers, and we can see here the customers that has an estimate. So we have also here the Red Rock Diner. If we click this one, so we can automatically see here in our right side of the corner of our screen the estimate that we have already created for Red Rock Diner. So this is the information. So this is the date that it was created and sent, and also the status. As you can see here, it is not yet accepted. So for us to change the status or update the status, just click the edit. Okay, and let's just wait. And here on the customer drop down, you can see here the name of our customer, and on the estimate status drop down, just click this one for us to update. So we can see here that we have 4 types of status here: the pending, accepted, closed, and rejected. So for now, we will going to we're going to click the accepted status for our estimate and add necessary details if who accepted the estimate. Like for example, we input here ban and also the date. So today is the date, and also you can see here um the information of the products and services for the estimate. So after you're done, just select save. Okay, so the estimate 1004 is already saved. So next step is in the create invoice drop down, you select copy to purchase for us to make a purchase using an estimate that we have made for Red Rock Diner. So here on the drop down menu for the vendor, select the vendor. So the vendor is Hicks Hardware. Next, we have to input here on the email. For example, the email is okay. So that's the email of our vendor. Then we can see here the products and services, and also don't forget on the ship to drop down, select the customer whose project the item is for and who the estimate was created for. So the estimate was created for Red Rock Diner. So let's um, see where Red Rock Diner. All right, Red Rock Diner. So this is the products and services of Red Rock Diner, and just check if there is necessary details that you want to adjust. When you're done, just select save and send. All right, so now you can now review the content of the email with the purchase order, and here you go. You can see here the subject of your email and to where you will going to send the email to. So this is the email of our vendor, and this is the message for our vendor. You can edit this one if necessary, and when you're done, just select send and close. All right, so now you have already created a purchase order that is sent to your vendor. And as you can notice earlier that it says here, it prompted here that the email wasn't sent because this is only a sample account. But if this is a real account, the email that you have created will be automatically sent to the vendor. So that's it. You have now created a purchase order using an estimate. All right. Thank you for listening.